This old-fashioned and super easy chocolate fudge cake comes together in no time and will probably last just as long as it took to make it. Stick around, I'll show you how it's made. My sister had a deep passion for chocolate cake, and I remember her making something very similar to what this one is. This one, however, has a bit of sour cream in it. You really won't taste the sour cream, but it does add to the richness, and it also makes it super moist and a very, very soft crumb. The whole thing comes together really quickly, and you probably have already everything you need in your pantry. There's no special tools needed for this, no need to break out the mixer. There's only one bowl and cleanup is a breeze. Some of the ingredients will need to be at room temperature. This allows everything to mix together much better. It keeps the batter from splitting. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. Grease and line with parchment paper a 9x13 baking pan. Cut the paper a little long, it'll give you handles to take the cake out when you're ready to cut it and serve it. In a microwave safe bowl, melt the butter, stir in the cocoa and hot water. Add the flour, sugar, baking soda, espresso powder, and salt. Whisk to combine. Beat the eggs with the dairy and vanilla. Pour into the batter and stir just to combine. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan. Lift and drop the pan 3 times to release any bubbles. Bake for 40 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean and the cake starts to pull away from the sides of the pan. Allow the cake to cool on a wire rack while you prepare the frosting. Now you could skip the frosting, but this cake is terrific on its own. But with this extra layer of chocolate, well, it's chocolate, come on, don't skimp. Measure out all of the ingredients for this as it comes together really quickly. In a saucepan, melt the butter, stir in the cocoa and dairy. Bring to a boil and remove from the heat. Mix in the vanilla, the salt, and the powdered sugar. Whisk until smooth. Quickly, pour the frosting over the cake while the frosting is still warm. Allow the cake to cool completely before serving. You can actually put the cake in the fridge for a couple hours. It's going to get the icing to actually set up real firm. This cake can be kept in the fridge covered with plastic wrap for about a week. I promise it will be gone long before the end of that week. This cake will be one that you'll want to certainly keep in your arsenal of desserts. It's one of those really great go-to cakes and it's super quick to make. Rich and intense chocolate flavors and really, really moist. Look at this. Comes up easy. It's like fudge. If you make this, leave me a comment below. Let me know how it turned out. Thanks again for watching. So good.